This site commemorates the only remaining Western town established by African Americans during the Reconstruction period following the American Civil War. The Homestead Act of 1862 provided settlement opportunities for people of modest means. A person could claim a 160-acre plot provided they lived on and developed the land for a 5-year period, after which it could be purchased. We decided to pull in early tonight because we wanted to wash our clothes. Now we have 2 ways of washing our clothes. One is we take it to a laundromat, and some campgrounds have those, and we wash them there. Or we put them in our what we call wash bucket with water and with soap, and we put a lid on it, and then we get on our way for the day. And the water sloshes around just like your wash machine has the agitator, and it cleans our clothes. When we stop for the night, we wring out the clothes, we put them on our air dryer. Normally they will dry completely before bedtime. We fold them up and put them away. That is a great way to keep clean clothes while you're out on the road.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.